Hello dear friends. In this video, I will show you how to crochet a lacy summer hat with the tulip stitch pattern. The beanie that you see in the photo was crocheted by me a long time ago. Since then, I have made some changes and created crochet patterns. Today, we will make a new beanie. You can find high-quality patterns on my website. Just click on the link in the info box or on the hint in the upper right corner. For crocheting a summer hat, I used a very beautiful yarn, IceYarns Cakes Ombre, and a 3mm crochet hook. Using this yarn, I crocheted a short top with leaves and a dragonfly, a summer outfit for my daughter, and the firebird wing shawl. The link to the store is also in the description below this video. Tutorials for all of these items are available on my website. Well then, let's get started. First of all, I want to show you my crochet charts. These are the first 5 rows of the bottom of the future hat, and here is the finished bottom, after which we will crochet the pattern without increases. And finally, a crochet pattern for knitting in the round. Start with an adjustable loop also known as the magic ring. Chain 3. 15 double crochet into the ring. Join with a slip stitch to top of first chains 3. Make 5 chains. Skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next, chains 2, skip 1 stitch, double crochet, chains 2, double crochet in the next, chains 2. Thus, we repeat until the end of the row. Make 1 double crochet stitch into the indicated stitch and chain 1. Join with single crochet to top of chains 3. Make 2 chains. Double crochet into the indicated space. Make 2 chains. 2 double crochet together, chains 2. Draw back through the last 3 loops on your hook and make chains 2. 2 double crochet together, chains 2. Make 3 times 2 double crochet together, chains 2 into the same space. 2 double crochet together, chains 2, and repeat the pattern to the end of the row. 2 double crochet together, chains 2. Make slip stitch to top of first stitch and slip stitch in next space, chains 4. Then we crochet according to the symbols. Slip stitch, chain 3. Double crochet in each stitch. Plus, we make increases in the indicated places. Slip stitch, chains 5. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet and chains 2. Skip 2 stitches again and make V-stitch, chains 2 and so on until the end of the row. Make double crochet and chain 1. Join with single crochet to top of chains 3, make 2 chains. Make double crochet, chains 2 and 2 double crochet together under single crochet of previous row, chains 3. Continue to crochet these elements to the end of the row. Make chains 3 between fans. 2 double crochet together, chains 2. 2 slip stitches, chains 4. Do the whole row 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1. Under the 3 chains of previous row do 3 double crochets. Double crochet in each stitch and 12 increases around. Repeat last 4 rows. Make 2 chains between fans. Double crochet in each stitch around without increases. Continue crocheting the last 4 rows to the desired beanie depth. If desired, you can crochet sturdy panels that will provide the necessary protection from the sun. Thank you for watching. Happy creativity. With love,
Єлена Кожухар.